week 3 update for Buildspace, right? So we are being safe, a decentralized image sharing and content aggregation platform where users can control the platform itself. So we are currently at the Gitcoin beta rounds for open source and decentralized social media. What we're doing this week so far is advertising our platform and marketing it to Web3 users with the help of Twitter, Spaces, and Gitcoin Radio, which currently takes place 24/7. We've tuned in for a lot of Spaces this week, and we've advertised our platform to Web3 native users. And so far we've had really explosive growth. We've gained 66 followers, and we've got a lot of tweet impressions. So the results is that we've actually got a lot of donations compared to other projects on Gitcoin. We've got 26 unique contributors, and yeah, this is the number of donations that we received this round. And this doesn't count the matching funds that we'll receive